Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your C drive on a Windows 10 PC or a laptop. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump straight into it. So there's a couple of things you can do to actually clean your C drive, and in doing so you're going to experience a more smoother and faster experience on your PC or laptop. So the first thing that you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to the bottom left hand corner to the search box and just go ahead and type run. You're then going to see the run app, so just click onto this to open it up, and you're going to get a box up here in the bottom left hand corner. So what you want to do is go ahead and type prefetch into the run box and then click OK. If it comes up saying you don't currently have permission to access this folder, go ahead and press continue to access the folder. What you then want to do is select everything in this folder, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is delete all of these from this folder. Once you've done that, you can come back to your desktop by closing this down and make sure you right click on your recycle bin and empty out your recycle bin, as well as this helps to fully clean your C drive. Cool, okay, so once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is again come down to the search box and type run in again to the search box, and once again when the run app appears you want to click on that. Now this time you want to go ahead and type temp into the search box and then click OK, and we're going to do the same thing as we did before. So we're just going to go ahead and select everything in this folder and then delete all from this folder. Now if it comes up with a permission like this, just tick the box to do this for all current items and then press continue, and it should go ahead and basically delete everything. If you are using any programs, in which case you can skip and do this when you finish using the program, or just cancel and do it later. Great, okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close this down, and if it's in your recycle bin, make sure again to go and empty your recycle bin. What we're going to do again is open up the run app. This time you want to type the following, which is a % symbol followed by temp and then another % symbol, and then go ahead and press enter to open this up again. What you're going to want to do is select everything in this folder and delete it. So once that you've done that, you can see that we're back onto my desktop, and then there's one final thing that you need to do to completely clean and optimize your C drive. So what you want to do is come down to the search box, but this time you want to go ahead and type defrag. Now you're going to see an app come up called defragment and optimize drives. So go ahead and give this a click to open it up. Then you want to go ahead and make sure your C drive is selected, and then go and press the optimize button underneath. Now sometimes this can take a while to do, or it can take a couple of minutes. It really depends on the speed of your computer. So that's going to fully optimize and clean your C drive. So hopefully your PC or laptop is going to be a lot smoother and quicker for you. I hope that you guys found this tutorial helpful. If it did, if you could give us a like and also hit the subscribe button, that would be amazing. If you've got any questions, if you could leave them in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.